Okay, so the current course I'm teaching has 3 main assessment tasks. The first is a short essay of 1,000 words that requires students to analyse and compare the crime genre elements found in a particular television series. This task aligns with the first 2 intended learning outcomes in the course, which are to explore the construction and evolution of the concept of genre and investigate the use of the term crime in television media. This assessment will assist in students developing their critical thinking skills. The short word limit will assist in students in developing their academic writing skills but also not overwhelm them. And the essay will be submitted via Turnitin to assist in identifying any incidents of plagiarism, and a works cited list is required. To allow for transparency, the assessment criteria highlights what is expected of students and gives them an idea of what they will be assessed on. A rubric of marking criteria will also be available to students and those marking the essays to allow for appropriate evaluation. The second assessment is a test of multiple questions and short answers. Again, this aligns with the first 2 learning outcomes. The test will assist those who struggled with the essay and will be conducted in class, supervised. This will reduce plagiarism and copying amongst students, and a copy of correct answers will be available to those who mark these tests to allow for consistent evaluation. The major essay of 2,000 words asks for a more in-depth analysis that aligns with the 4th learning outcome that requires an explanation of how social, historical and cultural contexts inform the development of the crime genre. This essay will be set up in a similar way to the short essay, with assessment criteria and rubrics provided, as well as the same submission portal to again allow for transparency and veracity. For each of these assessments, feedback is available with comments that will emphasise the positive aspects of the assessment, as well as helping them improve in other areas. Class participation is also worth 10% in this course. This allows those who struggle in developing writing content to establish a greater mark. By using class discussion and small group work, class participation will also attempt to help and understand the larger assessment tasks and the content discussed in readings and screenings. And this is an inclusive form of assessment for students. In designing these assessments, much of the influences come from previous literature, film and screen courses, as many are structured this way.